In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a picture and text in a video for free using Canva. If you're brand new to Canva, don't worry. This is simple, fast, and perfect for social posts, presentations, or quick promos. First, open Canva in your browser or app and log in. On the home page, click Create a Design, then choose Video or Video in the 16:9 size. That 16:9 format is the standard landscape size, great for platforms like YouTube and most screens. With your blank video canvas open, head to the left sidebar and click Uploads. Upload the picture you want to use or just drag it directly onto the canvas. Once it's on the page, resize the image by pulling the corner handles to keep it proportional and reposition it by clicking and dragging. You can center it or place it off to one side. Watch for the smart guides that appear. Those help you align elements cleanly so everything looks polished. Now, let's add text. Click Text in the left panel, then choose Add a heading, a subheading, or body text depending on how bold or subtle you want your message to be. Type your words, then drag the text box to where you want it on the video. Use the toolbar at the top to customize your font, size, and color. For readability, pick a color that contrasts with your background image, and size your text so it's easy to see on mobile screens. If your image is busy, try moving the text to a cleaner area of the frame. You can also use the position and alignment options to center your text perfectly. If you want a bit of motion, click Animate in the top toolbar. You can apply an animation to the text, the picture, or both. Choose a simple effect to keep it professional. Subtle moves often look better than extreme ones. Before exporting, preview your video. Click the play or preview button to watch it from start to finish. Check that your image isn't stretched, your text is legible, and the placement feels balanced. Make small tweaks if needed. When you're happy, click Download in the top right. Set the file type to MP4 video, confirm your settings, and hit Download. Canva will process the file and save it to your device, ready to share. And that's it. You've added a picture and text to your Canva video for free. Don't forget to subscribe for more Canva tips.